Today I am going to show you a super simple trick that will make your chords on the piano sound like professional music. I call it the Arpeggio Melody Trick. With that trick you can create magical moments from even the simplest chords. And in the end, I will also show you a fantastic method to use this exercise to improvise beautiful piano music. By the way, you can download the sheet music for this video lesson for free. The link is in the video description. Let's start with exercise number 1. We will begin with the C major triad, and we play the C major triad in the left and in the right hand. And now we play the notes of the chords one after another like this. We begin low and then we climb up. And we count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are in 6/8 time signature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we will repeat it 2 times on the C major triad. That means we play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we will do the same thing on the A minor triad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the F major triad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again. And then we move 1 up to the G major triad, and then the same thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the second time. And then we start with C major again. Okay, I would say let's practice this all together. I will count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second time. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F major. G major. And another round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A minor. F major. G major. Now we will do the exercise number 2. This time, in the first bar, we play the arpeggio like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the second bar, we will replace it with a small melody made of just 2 notes, C and B. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the whole thing will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do the same for A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the second arpeggio we replace with the melody notes C and B. The same with F major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the final bar with G major, you can reverse the order of the melody notes so that we don't play C, B. Instead, we are playing B and then C. That means you play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's practice all together. 3 times with the melody come from C to B, and the last time from B to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A minor. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exercise number 3. I will play it for you quickly. Now we will add a wonderful and highly effective trick. As you begin the arpeggio in your left hand, you play the note C in your right hand at the same time. And then continue as before. That means you start here. Then you go on with the arpeggio. And then we have the 2 melody notes. Okay? And that we will do also on A minor. When you start with the arpeggio of A minor, you add in the right hand the C. 1, 2, 3. Now the arpeggio in the right hand. And the melody notes. 4, 5, 6. And now you start with the arpeggio in the left hand with the F major, and you also play the C in the right hand. Now you go down and play the F major triad, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you are on the G, on the arpeggio of the G major chord, down with your left hand, you play the B in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it starts again. Okay? So let's practice this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and from the beginning. Okay. Now we are going to get really creative. I've marked you some notes in color for you, and these are our special notes. In this exercise, you can choose the pitch of the notes yourself. That notes that have a pink color. There you can choose freely which notes you want to play. I will play a little example for you. Okay? But you could also use completely different notes for the ones marked in pink. For example, I also could play something like this. And what always sounds good and keeps you on the safe side is choosing notes from the chords. That means when you play the C major arpeggio, then you can use a melody note in the top that contains the C, the E, or the G. That means if I start here on the C major triad and I choose one note of the C major triad, yeah, that always sounds good. Or the E, or the C. When you play the arpeggio of A minor, then it would be great if you use something like the A, the C, or the E. And if you play the F major triad, then it sounds really nice when you use the F, the A, or the C. And with the G together, the G, the B, or the D. Exercise number 5. Now things are getting really exciting. I've marked you some notes in color again, and you will notice that in bars 2, 4, 6, and 8, the rhythm has changed, and we are playing 6/8 notes in those bars, and the principle stays the same. The pink notes aren't fixed, so you can improvise and create your own tones and melodies. And I will show you an example what you could play. For example, but it would also work with different notes. Let's see what comes to mind spontaneously. This time I will start on the C. I hope you enjoyed this video and found some great new ideas. If you are interested in free piano playing and want to learn how to spontaneously create such beautiful melodies on the keys using other examples, be sure to check out my video course. You can find the link in the video description. I would love to see you there. And in the meantime, have fun playing the piano.